Hi everyone, I've got this video I wanted to share with you how I make this beautiful card using my die cut machine, and in the machine the Sizzix Big Shot, and I use a embossing envelope, and I chose the one with the little gears on it. You can do a double page as you see there, and so just tearing it in half, and over here I'm going to be using my sponge that I just sprayed with a bit of water, and I'm using the Inca Gold from Viva. This is like a metallic gold color. It's not acrylic because it gets activated with water again, so I did spray it inside. It does get a little bit dry over time, so I did spray it with water again, and then it becomes soluble again, so you can use it. It's really very pretty, and this is the rich gold color, and I'm applying it in circular movements with a brush, with a sponge, and it's just lovely how it picks up on all the edges that's standing out. And so this color is a green color, also from the Viva make the Inca Gold. And then I'm going over just to give it like a old bronze type of a look to it, just here and there. And I'm removing that old sponge and applying a new one. And now I'm going to the red one, and this I'm applying just also just randomly here and there, because I don't want to take away the green that's there. Now I'm going to the old silver color, and I like to mix the two. I don't mind if it mixes because it gives me like a rose gold color. And when I'm finished with that, I'm just putting double-sided tape on the back of that. It's quite a tricky story to get that the tape off the side off, but eventually I managed to get it off. And then I stick it on a piece of cardboard that's bigger than the piece that I worked on, so that it fits inside of the frame. I then apply liquid glue to the outside, to the inside of the frame, so that when I put it down I can still move it around. And then I just added Romans 8:28 to that, which says God makes all things work together for the good for those who love him and are called according to his purpose, and hence the little gears that all work together. So there you go. I hope you're inspired to do something similar. God bless you, and see you next time.